which is for bloody hell. Come on. Okay. Now duplicate walk on gravel twice. Sorry, once, not twice. Rename this to walk on wood. Hit enter, double click, open in more develop, and change the names to, for the boolean, call it wood bool. Okay, and instead of gravel over here, put wood col. So wood, short for wood collider. Same goes with the other. Just gonna copy this and paste it in there. Paste that in there as well. I'm gonna copy the boolean name and paste the boolean name in there as well. Okay, now you may be thinking, is that it? No, but we're gonna start adding the sound and all that. But that's all done in the FPS input controller script we have. So we're gonna have some fun with this now. Let's just save. And there we are. Okay. Now the gravel script, attach it to this one. Now the wood ones, you can obviously know where you're gonna attach that to. So let's do that now. Wood and wood. Now we've got those attached. Now let's go into our FPS input controller script, and underneath our crouch inputs, let's make a new statement. Open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, and we're going to say if our input dot get key code dot is w. So if we're walking and by any chance we walk on gravel, we're going to find that out. And double ampersand sign, and we're going to say the script name, and that script was called walk on gravel, which is right here. And because walk on gravel has a static boolean inside, we can call it and play around with its parameters, so we can check and see certain things are false or true. Where's my script gone? There we go. And dot grav bool is equals to true. Save that. I'm going to do a little test. I'm going to say debug dot log warning, open bracket, close bracket, close that off, double speech marks, and I'm going to say you are now on gravel. Okay, save that off, and let's just test that. Alright, sweet, no errors. That's not an error, that's something else. Before I do, let me just sort that out, it's bothering me anyways. Where is it? No, it's this one. Okay, yeah, sorry, back to where we were before. Alright, keep an eye at the bottom. It should say we are now on gravel. It's going to run towards that. Okay, it's not picking it up. Let me just bring this up a bit, like so. Let's drag it up here a bit. Let's try that again. Okay, it still says you are in run mode. Input dot get key and walk on gravel dot grav bools. Is that what I called it? Let me just double check. Nope, and I spelled it wrong. That's why. What a twat. There we are. Sorry about that, guys. Back into the game, and it should work. Now, basically, what I want to see is the system should tell us that, okay, we are stepping on gravel, and if we are, we can start doing certain things to it now. There we go. You are on gravel. It says it right there. Great. Okay, back into the script, and at the bottom, at the end of function update, let's create a new function. I'm going to call this function open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, close curly brace, function gravel sound. Okay, save that, go to the very top. I don't know why I have run here, don't need that anymore, delete that. Put var grav sound. It's going to be a type audio clip. Okay, now believe it or not, we're going to need some timer for these, but we need to let it cool down or it's going to overlap each other. So for grav timer, it's going to be a type float, and it's going to be equals to 0. Var grav cooler. You should be familiar with this by now. And it's going to be equals to 0.8, which I know is a good default value for that, the sound that I have. Alright, let's go back to the bottom. And we're going to, first thing we want to say, if, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, close curly brace. We're going to say if grav timer is equals to 0, then we can play our audio clip. So audio dot play one shot, open bracket, close that off, and just put the variable name in there. Grav, I don't remember what I called it. Was it grav sound? Yeah, grav sound. Save that. Let's go into Unity and let's just assign the sound to that first of all.